Central Bureau of Investigation took former Finance Minister P. Chidambaram into custody last night, soon after he held a press conference refuting all charges against him in the INX media case. According to reports, high drama unfolded outside Mr. Chidambaram's residence following his arrival there after the press conference around 8:15 p.m. The Donor Ministry has sent a proposal to sanction an amount of Rs 1,000 crore for setting up an airport at Nagaland's capital city, Kohima. As per reports, Donor Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh told Nagaland Chief Minister Neiphiu Rio that the proposal to set up an airport at Kohima is being pursued seriously by the Donor Ministry. In a speedy judgment, North Tripura District and Sessions Court yesterday awarded death penalty to a 28-year-old man for raping and killing a minor girl last year. According to news reports, Justice Gautam Sarkar, the judge of North Tripura District and Sessions Court, pronounced the punishment to the accused Sanjay Tanti for two separate offences committed on September 24 last year. The rebel group National Socialist Council of Nagaland Isak Muiva has demanded Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi to appoint a new interlocutor for the Indo-Naga peace talks. The demand was made after Indian President Ramnath Kovind appointed R.N. Ravi as the Governor of Nagaland. Ravi has also been acting as the Indian government's interlocutor since 2015. National Security Advisor Ajit Doval visited Moscow and held talks with his counterpart Nikolai Patrushev, who is the Secretary of the Russian National Security Council. Both Doval and Patrushev discussed Modi's visit to Vladivostok in September for the Eastern Economic Forum. Nepal will make the Everest region a plastic-free zone by 2020 by banning single-use plastics, a move that will curb excessive pollution on the highest point of the Earth's surface. The new rule will come into effect from January 1, 2020. India should be wary about a possible US-Pakistan deal on Afghanistan, warned former Afghan President Hamid Karzai. As US Special Envoy Zalmay Khalilzad was set to begin another round of talks in Doha to try and reach a deal with the Taliban. Responding to Mr. Trump's recent comments, where he framed the India-Pakistan problem over Kashmir as a religious issue, Mr. Karzai said the US president was being too simplistic.